I'm the Vice President of the International University Sports, FISU. I also the first ever female Vice President. I'm also the Secretary General of the Africa University Sports, called FISU, which is responsible for all the university sports in Africa. I'm also the president of the Association of Uganda University Sports. And in that capacity, I've had the opportunity to work with the IYF Good News Corp volunteers. And I'm happy that this 2022 Global Camp is taking place. And I want to welcome each and every one of the participants to this event. As FASU, we are very connected to the Good News Corp volunteers, and we are happy that this event will definitely take all the volunteers attending to a different level. I want to congratulate the organizers for the well-thought event that will ensure that the volunteers go back home with stronger mind and positive minds and bodies. I want to implore upon each of you, the participants, to make sure you learn something from this camp, which you take back home in order to meet your day-to-day challenges. I want in a special way to thank the volunteers that have been with us in Uganda during the Africa University Sports Championships. For sure, you made these events a great success. You contributed a lot, ensure that the participants went back with beautiful memories to their countries. Altogether, I want to thank IYF. You've been good partners to our events, and I want you to continue so that we make these events a great success all the time. And I want to implore upon you that you continue doing the good work you are doing. To the organizers, I pray that you keep doing such events. And I know this is an online event because of the current circumstances, and I'm sure it's going to make a difference, much as there's no physical connections, but we have that connections during online. To the organizers, I can only say thank you, and keep it up.